Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Sir Muhammad Khalid bin Muhammad Abbas. How are you, sir? I hope that you are doing great. Today, I would like to present my infographics of Chapter 8, and the topic is the origins of data quality. This Chapter 8 is in the syllabus of Health Informatics, HSM 473. Let's get started. Now, I'll show you the infographic that I've designed. Here is the infographic, the origins of data quality. As you can see here, I preferably using the dark color of the background. This is the reason why I would love to use the dark color of the background, because it's easier for me to play with the color with using the bright color for the font, for the heading, for the subtopic and the subtitle, or even the points of the information that I will put in the infographic. I will start explaining what is data. Data are facts, observations, or experiences on which an argument, theory, or test is based. Data may be numerical, visual, or descriptive. Data is also may be raw or analyzed, experimental or observational. It may contain different content. It's either qualitative or quantitative. Next is, it may be expressed in different forms, like datasets, still image, audio and audio recordings, and other interactive sources. Next is, it may be held in a number of variations, like raw, analyzed, clean, and also anonymized and pseudonymized. Okay, now let's move on to the data quality. Where is the data quality begin? Data quality begins from the data creation, which is the underlying processes that create and use data. The data should be relevant, sufficiently comprehensive, complete, and appropriate. Okay, now I'll move on to the next subtopic, which is characteristics of data quality. The first one is data relevancy. Data relevancy is the closeness between the data consumer need and the data provider output. The second point is completeness. Completeness is needed to avoid missing data, invalid data, and incomplete data. The third point is data accuracy. Data accuracy is the degree at which a data object overlaps with the real world object or event described. The fourth point is data precision. Data precision is the closeness between all possible interpretations of a data object. Fifth is accessibility. This ability is to trace a track, back data its origin, and find out its real world meaning. The last point is data timeliness. It is the availability of the data at the time it needs to be utilized. The next subtopic is retrieval and manipulating data. The primary way data are retrieved and manipulated in a database is via data manipulation language, which is DML. A principal task is extracting or retrieving data from the database. There are two more popular data manipulations, which is QBE and SQL. Have you heard about QBE before? QBE is a method of query creation that allows the user to search for documents based on an example form of a selected text string in the form of document name or a list of documents. It is because the user is free from having structured statements and format. QBE is used interactively on a display, and it is supported by easy-to-use graphic user interface. For the last part, what is SQL? SQL is structured query language. SQL has three categories of commands. The first one is data definition, the second one is data manipulation, and the third one is data control. So now I have explained all the subtopics in this chapter, which is chapter 8, the origins of data quality. I hope that you are enjoying my presentations and understand what I'm explaining about. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Have a good day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.